Have you ever been amazed by the shape-changing abilities of certain animals like octopuses and chameleons? Now what if I told you textiles could do the same? Welcome to the magic of FibeRobo, a marvel in the world of textile technology. Imagine a fabric that can change its shape, much like a chameleon changes its color. Sounds like science fiction, doesn't it? But it's not, it's science fact. FibeRobo is no ordinary fiber. It's a thermally actuated liquid crystal elastomer that can transform textiles into dynamic, interactive interfaces. This revolutionary fiber can be integrated into everyday fabrics, enabling them to shapeshift, bringing an entirely new dimension to the world of textiles. And the best part, it's compatible with existing textile manufacturing machinery, making it a feasible and exciting development for the future. Now you might be wondering, how does this work? FibeRobo is not just any fiber. It's a thermally actuated liquid crystal elastomer, or LCE for short. Now let's break down these fancy terms and get to the heart of this technological marvel. Thermally actuated means that FibeRobo responds to heat. It's like a little superhero in your clothes, springing into action when the temperature changes. This temperature sensitivity allows FibeRobo to change its shape, a fascinating feature that opens up a world of possibilities for interactive textiles. Liquid crystal elastomer, or LCE, is the special sauce in this mix. Imagine a material that combines the fluidity of liquid crystals with the flexibility of elastomers. That's our LCE. It's this combination that gives FibeRobo its unique shape-changing abilities. Now you might be wondering, that's all well and good, but can we manufacture this on a large scale? The answer is a resounding yes. FibeRobo can be produced in large quantities using a process called UV fiber drawing. This process uses ultraviolet light to solidify the fiber, allowing for precise control over its properties. But here's the icing on the cake. FibeRobo isn't just compatible with existing textile machinery, it's like they were made for each other. This means that integrating FibeRobo into the textile production process should be as smooth as silk. So what we have here is a thermally responsive, shape-changing fiber that can be easily mass-produced and integrated into existing textile manufacturing processes. This is not just a concept, but a reality that is already reshaping the textile industry. The potential applications for FibeRobo are far and wide. This innovative technology opens up a whole new world of interactive textiles, giving designers the freedom to explore and create like never before. Picture a world where your clothing can transform and adapt according to your needs. With FibeRobo, this is no longer a distant dream. This thermally actuated liquid crystal elastomer fiber, or FibeRobo for short, can be structured into textiles to create shape-changing fabric interfaces. It's a revolution in textile design, opening up endless possibilities for interactive and dynamic fabrics. The article delves into the various approaches that can be explored with FibeRobo. One such approach is embedded hardware. By integrating FibeRobo with existing technology, we can create textiles that not only look and feel different, but also perform different functions. Imagine a shirt that can monitor your heart rate, or a jacket that can adjust its temperature based on the weather outside. The possibilities are truly limitless. Textile engineering is another avenue that FibeRobo can revolutionize. With its rapid thermal, self-reversing actuation and compatibility with existing textile manufacturing machinery, FibeRobo can be produced in large quantities, making it a viable option for mass production. This means that the benefits of interactive textiles can be enjoyed by everyone, not just a select few. But perhaps the most exciting aspect of FibeRobo is its potential for creating shape-changing and sensing materials. With this technology, we can create textiles that can change their shape and texture in response to external stimuli. This not only adds a whole new dimension to fabric design, but also makes it possible to create textiles that can interact with their environment in a meaningful way. FibeRobo is not just about creating textiles that change shape, but also about creating interfaces that can seamlessly integrate into our daily lives. It's a glimpse into a future where our clothing is not just a fashion statement, but a tool for enhancing our everyday experiences. The potential of FibeRobo goes beyond what we can imagine today. It's like we've opened the door to a world where textiles aren't just passive elements, but dynamic, shape-changing interfaces that can seamlessly integrate into our daily life. This isn't some far-off dream. It's a reality being forged right now in the labs where FibeRobo is being developed. Consider the demonstrations in the paper that illustrate FibeRobo's potential for four-dimensional textile displays. Imagine a sweater that can change its pattern based on your mood, or curtains that adjust their opacity based on the amount of sunlight. These are just glimpses of what's possible when we begin to exploit the full potential of this technology, but it's not just about aesthetics. FibeRobo brings practicality to the fore. Think of medical bandages that can adjust their tension to improve healing, or clothing that can regulate its own temperature. The possibilities are truly endless. The beauty of FibeRobo lies in its compatibility with existing textile manufacturing machinery. This makes it a scalable solution, ready to be produced in large quantities, and usher in a new era in textile technology. FibeRobo is not just a concept, it's a game changer. It's about reimagining the relationship between technology and textiles and creating interactive fabrics that can revolutionize how we interact with our environment. The future of textiles is here, and it's called FibeRobo. The magic of FibeRobo is truly a game changer in the world of textiles. We've delved into this fascinating technology, from its innovative thermal self-reversing actuation to its compatibility with existing textile machinery. We've explored the design space it opens up, creating potential for shape-changing, fiber-based interfaces that can seamlessly integrate into our daily lives. And we've seen some thrilling demonstrations of what FibeRobo can do, bringing the future of 4D textile displays into the here and now. To continuously be enlightened, remember to like and subscribe.